Welcome to Powers Out of the House. In this video I'm going to show you how to fit a set of KTM rear crash pads to a Husqvarna 701 Supermoto. However, the process is exactly the same if fitting them to a KTM SMCR 690 or a GASGAS SM 700. So in the packet we've got crash pad left and crash pad right. We've got a replacement nut with hole through the centre, two screws, one slightly longer than the other. We've got a threaded bar, and then the installation instructions. If for whatever reason you don't have the installation manual, you can go to Google, type in KTM Power Part Manuals, then KTM Manuals, then scroll down the screen and you can see this box that says Insert Article Number. Then if we go back to the packaging that the crash pads came in, we'll see the part number at the top. Type this number into the box and you'll see to the left the manual. Open up the manual and hey presto. So first of all, use a 32mm socket on a wrench and undo the rear wheel nut by turning anti-clockwise. And I'll put links to all the tools I use in the description section below. So now we replace the old wheel nut with this new wheel nut that has a hole in the centre. And using a torque wrench, tighten it up to 90 Newton meters. So looking at the crash pads, you can see one protrudes out and one doesn't. Taking the longest of the two screws, we place it through the protruding left crash pad and screw it into the threaded bar. Then using a T30 Torx bit we can tighten up. Then place the assembled threaded bar and crash pad through the left side of the axle, and on the right crash pad you'll see it shaped to fit around the wheel nut. So then using a pencil I marked the centre of a flat point on the moulding in the crash pad so that I can line it up with the flat point of the nut in a minute. And with the shorter screw through the right crash pad I use the T30 Torx bit to tighten up into the threaded bar. And I tighten up by hand to the correct position using my pencil line, then finish off with the wrench, but be careful not to over tighten. And that's it, job done. So if you found this video useful then please give it a like. If you're interested in any of the tools that I used in the video, I'll put links to those in the description section below. And finally, if you haven't done so already then please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been Powers Out of the House. Ta-ta, farewell.